So February, and I thought it was time to give you guys a little bit of an update of what's been going on in the workshop here at the Hero Motor Company. And what's been lovely for the start of the year is the diversity, what we've already seen going through the workshop. We've had Ferrari 550s, Aston Martin Vantage S's, Peugeot 205 GTIs, Porsches, BMWs. It's been incredibly diverse, and that makes it a really exciting workshop to be in. Some of the projects that are undergoing at the moment, 993 here, in for routine service preparation for the spring. We've got the often seen on these electric seat faults, and just routine general maintenance, making sure she's all ready for the spring. It'll be coming back to see us later in the year for some cosmetic paintwork, but what's lovely is the body shell on that 993. Utterly structurally corrosion free, absolutely fantastic. I think a lot of you have already seen the Wiesmann. This is a car that we've maintained and sold now twice, and this is being prepared for the next owner, and actually as preventive maintenance. It's been decided because of some of the complexities of getting to the V10 M5 engine in the front of this Wiesmann. We've decided to do the throttle actuators now, get those rebuilt, and a lot of you will be aware of the sort of idiosyncrasies of failing throttle actuators on V10s. We are seeing more and more 840 CI individuals, 850 CSIs, and it's fantastic to now see these cars finally falling into the right hands with the right owners who are spending the right amount of money to really get them up to scratch as they should be. This one is actually one owner from you, and it's in for a complete suspension rebuild. Every single ball joint, bush, suspension swivel, then geometry when that's all done. It will be back later in the year for a little bit of fabrication work to the sills. So it has got a small amount of corrosion in the back of the sills, which will require some fabrication. Another 840 CI lurks under here, just to keep it clean. This has been in for a brand new headline, and again another Achilles heel with these cars is the sagging headlining. The headlining is now done and brand new in that. It's new to us, it's only done 33,000 miles, and we're really thrilled it's now going to be cared for by us going forward. It's in for service work and such like, and one of the things we've got to solve the problem with on this car is getting the seat low. And those are the sorts of things we like doing here at Classic Heroes, is problem solving. The guy's incredibly tall and his head touches the sunroof, so we're going to be investigating ways of finding probably about 30 to 40 mil of room by lowering the seat, finding a solution for him then. This is a very exciting car. Again, some of you may have already seen this. This is the one owner from you, 10,000 mile, 3.2 Carrera Super Sport convertible. It has to be one of the best 3.2s probably in the world. Utterly original, untouched, one owner car, and we've just found the new owner who will be the second owner of this car, and it's now going through the workshop. Although utterly immaculate, of course everything is 32 years old on it, so it's going through for a programme of future proofing to eliminate brake hoses, caliper rebuilds, master cylinders, slave cylinders, torsion bar bushes, all of the things that are 32 years old and likely to let the new owner done are being eliminated as part of that sales prep work before handover to him. Very, very special car, and it's been an absolute privilege to be part of the process of finding the second owner for that car. So anyway, I hope you've enjoyed the update. Catch up with you next week.